a nice view. I can see something, it looks like a little church, but no idea how to get to that. Should that be my mission today? It looks probably much more further than you think it is, because all these roads zigzag. Who knows, let's see if I can get to that. I doubt it. I'll see something else and detour. Don't really have a planned route. I am redoing a bit of a walk I've done, because it does lead to quite a good viewpoint. I remember these huts. These are quite trendy. I think there's a little business that runs out of here as well. Oh, dog freaked me out. Hola. Hola. Sorry, doggy, disturbing your peace.